What's up, everybody? This is Scott. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to explain the 4 different stabilization methods that you can see right now on the Pixel 5. They're regular, I guess what you would refer to standard, locked, active, and then cinematic. And I'm going to show you examples of all of them. They're all built into the native app. So basically you open it up, flip it to rear camera, and then turn whichever stabilization you want on. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Nothing special, no hardware, crazy things you have to do. So yeah, let's go ahead and just jump into it. Now let's talk about the different stabilizations that they have on the video right here on the rear facing camera. What you see right here is actually just kind of the default. This is, I guess, the light, or what they would refer to as what would be on when you're not really doing anything. So you can see right here, this is what you should expect when you're filming just randomly with the rear facing camera on the Pixel 5. Now they do have this locked zoom far away. You can see this is actually zoomed in 2 times. You can go 5 times. This is now 5 times in, and I'm walking, so you can see that the stabilization is literally super ridiculous. Now, is the quality great? No, because you're 5x. Now let's stop, back this back to 2x, and I'm continuing to walk. They have basically have this locked, and the stabilization is this good. So I'm gonna slightly turn, lock that stabilization in. I'm gonna walk towards that stop sign. This is zoomed, 2x zoom, and you can see exactly what the stabilization is. Now this next one is what they refer to as active. So I'm actually gonna walk fairly quickly. I don't run because I don't run, but this is the stabilization, what you would refer to as active. So probably more of your running, things of that nature. Let me go ahead and turn the corner here. Okay, you see, turning the corner. I'm gonna turn around right here, and I'm gonna do a little fictitious run. And there you go. That's exactly what you would expect with the active when you're on the stabilization in the rear facing camera of the Pixel 5. Now for the last one I can't actually show you when I'm on camera or where you're listening to me because it's actually muted. So let me show you what this cinematic style looks like with this bright yellow-ish orangish tree behind me. So there you have it with this tree right here. I just showed you that's all muted. The cinematic style right out of the camera app itself. I didn't do anything else. You saw the plane in the sky as well. All of that stuff was filmed using the camera app directly out of the Pixel 5. Just so the regular Google Cam, nothing special. I just hit stabilization, cinematic pan, bam. That's exactly what you saw straight up out of the camera. No audio post-processing, no color correction, no nothing. Everything that you saw is directly out of the Pixel 5 for that cinematic pan. Now it should be noted, all of those crazy high-end stabilizations that you see on the rear-facing camera is not available on the front-facing camera, which I guess it's okay. So you just get the regular stabilization that you see right here, but all of the crazy fanciness, active, locked, regular, or the cinematic is all done with the rear-facing camera. So if you want those crazy crispy shots, that's what you have to use. However, the stabilization on this right here on the front is not bad either. So I really enjoy it when you're especially doing anything like a vlog like this. It looks phenomenal, but they have in a major way upgraded the camera app with the Pixel 5 to make it a creator's somewhat dream, to be honest. Now, are we talking about iPhone level video? No, probably not, but this is way more than passable. And everything you see here, I'd be more than happy with. I can film everything in 4K 60 if I want. The results kind of speak for themselves. I've had a couple people actually tell me in a couple previous videos, so the Pamu Quiet video, I filmed that all on the Pixel 5, including the microphone and the audio that you hear there and here are all done through the phone, no external microphone at all. At the end of the day, I think the upgrades that you've seen out of the Pixel 5, all these new features that you see out of the Pixel's camera app, that's all native to the Pixel 5, really shows you how much Google has started to listen to the creators to say, hey, your portraits are great, the point and shoots are fantastic, but the video was meh. This year, the video is not meh. The video is far more than passable. It is very good, I would argue. Definitely ranks up there close to the top end. Is it the best? No, not the best at all, because again, we're using a little bit lesser of hardware when you consider like Samsung's hardware and Apple's hardware. But Google can more than make up for it from a software experience perspective. So everything that you've seen here is shot directly into the phone. For me, that is more than enough. It's more than far and away almost everybody else. The idea that I can use like that locked in stabilization, I can zoom in on my kiddo maybe at a swim meet or playing guitar or doing dancing, and I don't have to worry about it going is really, really nice. They're really starting to think about the end consumer, where they're going, what would be something that could change the game? Zooming in, locking in to where you can see your kiddo doing some type of event, maybe a grandchild, maybe even a child, something of that nature. Those are things that are going to make those memories, which is exactly what the camera app should be doing. I love the direction that Google is going when it comes to the video and the camera on their Pixel devices. I think the Pixel 5 is phenomenal. It is definitely a must buy. I love it, love it, love it. So let me know in the comments, what is your favorite stabilization? Selfishly, I love the locked, which is kind of weird to say, but I can see myself zooming in and seeing kid stuff. The second favorite is obviously the cinematic, because I mean, let's be real, I do love myself some slow-mo B-roll. So let me know in the comments what you think. So that's it, that's all I have. Thanks for watching, and as always, like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we'll see you next time.